Welcome, beautiful soul. Whether your heart feels heavy, your mind is tired, or you're simply seeking a safe space to breathe again, you're in the right place. And this meditation is for you. This is Astrid from Mindful Resilience for Life, and thank you for joining me today. So if you carried others through their storm, or even if you've been hurt by those who couldn't meet you in your wholeness, or if you're ready to return to yourself with peace, strength and clarity, then this is for you. So take a deep breath and let your breathing settle to a rhythm that's comfortable for you. This is your time to heal, to release and to reclaim. So while you're settling, also begin to gently close your eyes. Let your hands rest comfortably on your lap or by your sides. Take a deep breath in through your nose, hold it, and exhale slowly through your mouth. One more time, inhale deeply through your nose, hold it and exhale slowly through your mouth. Continue doing this and focus on your exhale, releasing any tension. And do it one more time. And then allow yourself to arrive fully in this moment. No past, no future, just now. We're starting with a lovely visualization called the clearing. So imagine you are standing at the edge of a peaceful forest just before sunrise. The ground is soft beneath your feet, the air is still. In your hands you hold a bundle, heavy, warm and warm. This bundle is filled with what you have observed from others. Their wounds, their protections, their chaos. But you never asked for it, but you held it anyway. Now gently place this bundle at the base of a tall, wise tree. Breathe deeply and say to yourself, I release what was never mine to carry. I release what was never mine to carry. And then exhale very deeply and release what was never yours to carry. And as the sun rises, golden light pours through the trees and surrounds you. It fills every part of you that felt empty. It softens what was tense. It restores what was lost. Breathe it in. This is your energy, clean and clear. And while you're taking in that sunshine, that golden light, your energy, repeat those affirmations. I release the pain that does not belong to me. I release the pain that does not belong to me. I no longer shrink to soothe the unhealed. I no longer shrink to soothe the unhealed. I am safe to protect my peace. I am safe to protect my peace. Feel those affirmations going deep within you, touching your soul. Put an warm golden light around your heart. That's your energy. And say softly to yourself, my energy is sacred and I reclaim it now. My energy is sacred and I reclaim it now. I honor my healing by letting go. I honor my healing by letting go. And very strongly now, say to yourself, I choose myself without guilt. I choose myself without guilt. So feel the truth of each affirmation settle into your heart like seeds, and they will bloom in their time. So still sit with that wise tree where you left behind that bundle, where you bathed in the sunshine, where you restored your energy. And let me read you a poem to the empath who forgot herself. To the empath who absorbed more than she spoke, who tried to be peace while her own heart broke. You are never meant to carry it all. You are meant to feel, not to fall. Your softness is not weakness. Your boundaries are gold. You don't need to explain the stories you hold. Let the silence speak where words once failed. Let healing rise where hurt prevailed. Return to yourself, the safest place. You are never too much, just full of grace. Now begin to bring gentle awareness back into your body, feeling stronger than before. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the energy within your body. Roll your shoulders. Stretch if it feels good. You have released so much tension now. A stretch will feel amazing. And let your breath deepen again, steady and calm. And when you're ready, open your eyes. Not to the same world, but to a world where you come first, where your boundaries are honored, where your energy is protected where your healing leads. So thank you for showing up for yourself today. You're not here to fix others at the cost of your own soul. You're here to thrive, to feel deeply, to heal fully, and to live freely. So come back to this meditation at any time you need to release what isn't yours. And remember, you are safe, and you're allowed to rest and rise again. So look after yourself.